At San Juan Pools, we're excited to introduce you to our unique and radically different fun deck. This isn't just another fiberglass pool or spa, it's a complete reinvention of outdoor entertainment and relaxation. Why the fun deck? Simple. It's crafted to be your ultimate hub for enjoyment and tranquility. Imagine this, a compact yet incredibly versatile area, perfectly blending fun and relaxation, all in a 12 feet by 15 feet space. Sounds incredible, right? At the heart of our fun deck is the raised spa, boasting a generous 6 feet 6 inches diameter. Ideal for 2 to 3 swimmers, it's your personal oasis for unwinding or hosting memorable moments. Transition seamlessly to our 9 inches deep splash pad. Located at a lower level, it's perfect for setting up pool furniture, frolicking with kids, or enhancing with cool water features. Whether it's a chill-out session or a lively pool party, the fun deck is designed to cater to all your moods and needs. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.